Hello, my creatively intelligent artists. Welcome back to art class. For today's class, we are going to be creating a word collage. Are you ready? I know that I am. Let's go. Have some fun. All right, guys, let's go. Now, we are going to be using wordart.com to create our word collages. So you can go ahead and type wordart.com and click on the first link. We're going to select create now. Now, when you open the page, it might be a little bit confusing, but don't worry, I am here to explain it all to you. Now, here we have the words. This is where you write your descriptive words, and I'm going to be creating a word collage that represents me. So I'm going to write descriptive words about myself. So I'm going to say I'm a teacher, I am jovial, artistic, and you can add some other words. If you would like to add your own words, you can click on the next box and add, and then select enter, and an additional space will be created, or an additional box will be created for you to add your words. Or you can simply go to add word or remove word to remove or add the words. Here we have our colors. Now you can use the colors on the page, or you can select your own colors, your own angle, and your own font style. It is up to you for each word. Here we have upper, lower, and capitalized. These all characterize the word. So you can get them in lowercase, uppercase, or you can have them starting with a capital letter. Here we have shapes. Now these are the different shapes that you can select to represent yourself. Now I'm going to be using a butterfly. There are a lot of different shapes. Feel free to explore, experiment. Now, how do I know how my shape looks when I add my words? This is where you select visualize, and you are able to see your final product here. If you want to change the font style, you can go to fonts and you can select a font style that you would like. So I'm going to change my font style to lobster, and you can also choose the layout, how you want your words to appear, and you can also select the style. You can change the colors of the words, you can make the color transparent, you can enhance the image background. It is up to you. Now remember, every change that you create, you select visualize, and it will show. If you want to start all over, you can select reset. You can lock it so nothing is changed. And when you are finished, you can print if you want to create a direct print, so you can save it as a PDF and print, or you can go to download, select standard JPEG or PNG. If it's an animated image, you can select PNG. If it is not, you can save it as a standard JPEG file and it will download. I hope that you had fun in today's art class, because I did. See you next time. Bye.